In this session, we are going to discuss managing infrastructure deployment at a scale. So, how to manage the infrastructure? So, create on AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So, there are different options to launch EC2 instance. Select AMI provided by AWS. Select AMI provided by community. Select AMI containing pre-configured software from AWS Marketplace, or create custom AMI. So custom AMI advantages are increases speed, reduce external dependency, remove the reliance on complex configuration script at launch time. And these are the disadvantages or demerits: loss of agility, complexity, runtime configuration requirement. Now we can even go for, so this is the block diagram of different AMI modes. So how to manage AMI builds? So launch the latest version of AMI, log into instance and manually reconfigure it. Create new AMI based on running instances. The user can also go for dynamic configuration. So the user write its own script, and with the help of this they can include the AMI dynamically configured at runtime. So depending upon the requirement or request, it can help in configuring the AMI. So these are the sample code and the package. Now there are different services. I'm going to the service. There are different services which helps in deployment application also, like Elastic Beanstalk, CloudFormation. So we are going to that. This is the server side scripting. These are all sample codes. So how to launch the EC2 instance using EC2 metadata, EC2 API. So end-to-end workflow. So using AWS services to help manage your environment. So high-level services are Elastic Beanstalk, which helps in deploy of the application developed through different languages like Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, Ruby, Perl, Go, and AWS OpsWork. As well as we can use AWS CloudFormation, which manage the infrastructure as a code. So these are the services which helps in deploying the application to the cloud using different services at a scale. So Elastic Beanstalk, it easily upload the code without worrying about managing or implementing underlying infrastructure. So the user directly upload the code already written in Java, .NET, Ruby, Perl, PHP, Node.js, Docker. Similarly, OpsWork is an application management service that helps to deploy and manage any application, and it requires AWS resources. Similarly, we can perform setup, configure, deploy, undeploy, and shutdown. And CloudFormation gives the developer and system administrators an easy way to create and manage collection of related AWS resources, provisioning and updating them in an orderly and predictable fashion. So these are the services which helps in deploying of the application.